Hey guys, Jay here from Vision Miner, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to load the G-code file on your 22 IDEX and getting your first successful print. Let's get right into it. Now this machine's already ready to go. We load the film in there. The power is on, everything's good to go. We'll be printing with the PCTG, so the heater will be about 80 C. So I'll pump the heater before. I don't want to sit there and wait for 10 minutes for the heater to go up. So I'll do that first. So I'm already at 80 C there. Easy way to go is on the top right here under upload and start. You can click on that and then select your file. Now this file has already been sliced. It is an open source machine. You can use any slicer on it, but we do recommend Super Slicer and Simplify 3D for this machine. So go ahead and click on that. At this point, you can actually click on the part and then open it, or you can actually do it the other way. Go to Jobs, Upload G file, and then click the file and then open. And it's gonna put it right over here. There it is. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on that. It is going to ask you if you wanna start this file, this print. If you're ready, go ahead and press yes. I'm gonna go ahead and put a nanopolymer adhesive on our build plate, right in the middle there, right on the build plate there. Good to go. All right, now I'm ready to start. Go ahead and click yes. And here she goes. So as the machine waiting to get to the temperature, once you get to the temperature, it's gonna start probing or mash leveling the build plate, and it will start printing the file. All right, here's the nut I need. Finished, ready to go. So cool. Look at these, baby. All right, guys, and that is how you get your first successful print on 22 IDEX. For more video, visit us on docs.visionminer.com. Thank you so much for watching.